Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In my previous video I've shown the making of beautiful wonky designing, and this is how the sleeves would look. Now I'm going to continue this pattern on the neckline to show you how the complete designer blouse would look. And if you missed watching this complete making of the sleeves pattern, it's in the iCard. Please check out. Also, it's available in the description box. So without wasting much time, so let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be highlighting the neckline first, applying the glue line broadly like this. This is to stick chain ball lace. Next to that stone lace, again chain ball lace. This is how we'll highlight the neckline. And recently have received so many comments that you people are liking these type of designer work patterns. I'm going to continue this in my future videos also. Appreciated your comments so that it will encourage and support to make this type of content and present in front of you. Exactly in the center I'll be sticking big size of honey color kundan followed with the purple color kundans in this shape, because the same shape I have designed on the sleeve, the same would be continuing on the middle of this neckline, that means back side of the blouse. Same way I'd be maintaining the gap, sticking yellow and purple kundans, maintaining the equal gaps like this. Now I'll be applying the glue line broadly all around this kundan shape. This is to highlight this drop shape with chain bow lace and stone lace. This is how complete neckline on the kundans we have to highlight. This is so simple, super easy, quick design making. If you are running out of time, then you can prepare this type of designs. Though the making is so simple, but the grand look which it will give will really emphasize and enhances the beauty. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. And the leftover gaps, I will be applying the glue dots in between these gaps, and now sticking flower rings with rhinestone as a neckline and a heavy sleeves pattern. So some booty look or the leftover gaps I'll be covering with this rhinestones and flower rings like this. Now it's almost dried. I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it using the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches. You cannot see that stitches, that is professional way of giving stitches. And now I'd be giving continuing stitches like this all around this drop shape kundan. Also I'd be giving the stitches on this kundans also. You can see the holes. There we have to give the stitch. Like these type of designs, because we are working on expensive fabrics, we have to maintain the decency of washing. Preferable is the light wash or the dry wash. And the completed pattern of the sleeves with the complete neckline would look like this. See how beautifully and simply the neckline has been designed with cost efficient and less time taking. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.